In a one-horse open sleigh,
Over the fields we go,
laughing all the way. Very cool. There's 2 books.
Poor Karan, I don't want to make him more jealous with my clothes.
My name is Karan Thacker. You know my address. I'm
Farheen Nazir.
Ambreen from Lahore, Pakistan. Scare the ghosts away at night.
This as well.
There's some studs for the stud. There is one with Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Wow.
Well, I love him too.
Always making a mess.
You always like to make a very creative mess. So here it is. Confetti.
Before opening ये छोटा सा Karan.
ऐसे कैसे खुला? ऊपर पड़ा था। To Crystal and Karan, it's Christmas time and we're back with fun and entertainment. This time it gets double. Woohoo! Since last year both lost so badly in the quiz, so this time we have changed it a bit. Like always, you both will have to do a bit for the work to get. मेरे बाल बैठ गया मैं बहुत तेज हूँ
हाँ मेरे बाल नहीं है ना
Follow the steps. Step 1 is to find all the 9 boxes. There are alphabets written on each box. You need to take and form the word with it. After you form the word, open each box and start open.
ओ ये खोल के देना चाहिए था
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Pagal tape cutter. Work hard and work smart. Because दोस्तों in life always work smart, not like a retard. Like a retard. Open here.
Okay. Open here.
This is question number 3. One place you two would like to visit together.
M.
Oh, this is T.
T.
Oh, sorry.
M-T, रखो M.
You think it's Christmas?
I think it's Murgers, Mr. How many? What's the first question?
Third is 3 or 2 now.
What's
Open
yours? What's the question say na?
2. But it's 3, no.
But this is 2, then where's 1?
Open, na. That's the whole idea.
अच्छा ये लो.
Just have some fun.
अच्छा
No?
keep 2 then. ये mess बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
उसमें देखना word क्या लिखा है. Letter.
I. Tim.
What are you trying to spell?
Mit. Tim. Tum. Tam. Keep this also.
Oh, you know what it is. Sorry. Remove what? Don't open that. Put it back.
Okay.
Remove all these little boxes.
How many are
We're
there?
supposed to
How
guess
would
the
I
word
know?
first.
How many boxes are there? How many boxes will be there? एक और मिला मुझे.
MIT, where I'll never get education. और है ना क्रिस्टल निकाल तो सही. I think it's Christmas only. C
Really?
H R
I
I
S T M
S T.
Got it. Tell them we got it. Missing है. इसके अंदर है.
What Karan यार? मैं थोड़ी पैक की. Chalo, C is going to be first. So let's at least open that. Just for fun.
Wait, there is S. Here's your S. And your.
अच्छा भाई.
Chalo, let's start.
कुछ तो missing है.
There's one more full thing I gave you. One more stop.
Where do you think of all these things? Yeah, very cool. Yeah.
Where do you get so much confetti from?
The shop.
Karan's just happy we're not doing it in his house again.
Yeah. Yeah. Christmas.
Till.
हो गया पूरा? Well, we're just gonna start and figure this out on the way. Challenge is to write Merry Christmas with your left hand. Now, unfortunately, we do not have a pen or a paper, but I'm assuming writing
Let's
anything with your left hand is hard, yeah?
C-H-R.
Mary starts with the M.
Christmas, you said.
Merry Christmas, I said.
You'll say or any order.
Now to any order because someone नहीं आ रहा है.
If you were born on Christmas Day, which sign would you belong to?
Catholic. Cross. Maybe that's the sign.
I think.
Sagittarian. Or
Yeah,
Aquarian.
he would know.
That's my quiz number 1. What are the 3 food items that are specially prepared during Christmas?
Marzipan,
Wine,
plum cake,
more wine, candles.
eating.
I don't know.
Eat bags. No wonder. Okay, next. Chalo.
What are the 3
banana.
food? You should know, yeah.
I said na plum cake, wine, marzipan.
Wine बनाते थोड़ी हैं.
अच्छा
खाने की चीज का
marzipan,
बनाते हैं
then
ना?
jujubes, then kalkals, then
Pork chops.
Newries, then there is
Vindaloo.
sorpotel, then there is
Sofitel. Hotel.
sorpotel. So many things.
ये सब कुछ नहीं पता यार. क्यों क्रिसमस के सवाल पूछते हो? दिवाली पे दिए लगते हैं सरसों के तेल में, मिट्टी वाले पटाखे जलते हैं, लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा होती है. One thing you guys cooked for people and it tasted horrible. देखिए इस सवाल का जवाब सिर्फ मैं ही दे सकता हूँ क्योंकि कुक तो मैं करता हूँ. बट तुम पहले हंस लो. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? So what are you laughing about?
That I don't cook for it to be horrible.
Okay. Should I cut the problem to the root only? I actually haven't cooked anything that's been horrible just as yet for anybody else. But on the other hand, I have always cooked a lot of things that have been pathetic. In order of just to like kind of try new things and yeah, my food is at times tasted very bad, but usually it tastes very nice. You can conquer. You've had a lot of times.
I've had a lot of food that he's made, and there's nothing been horrible. Everything has been superb. So sorry.
You are. Thank you. One place you two would like to go visit together. Well, are we supposed to say together? It's like a secret. I don't know. I don't know what's this game. I'm very confused what we're doing.
I would like to go to London.
Actually, you know what the thing is? I've heard Christmas in New York is supposed to be very dreamlike. I've just heard that. I've never seen it though. But I've seen a lot of films while I was growing up, where they show Christmas on 5th Avenue and 6th Avenue, and it's supposed to be like really, it's very lit up, and there's snow which is cleared out on the sides, and it's everybody's just dressed in like warm clothes. So I think New York on Christmas maybe that would be beautiful.
And New Year's also, so we'll watch the ball drop.
Yeah. Quiz number 2. How many wise men brought gifts for Jesus when he was born?
3.
One of them was me.
And me. And Aksa.
It's very cool, yeah. I'm half sleepy, but
3.
It's still very cool. One memory from London.
I think Diwali last year in London was fabulous. You know, we were in the middle of a street. It was very, very cold, and there was a huge crowd, like around how many people?
About good thousands of people.
Like there were a lot of people, and you know, it was.
It wasn't
crazy.
last year though. It was a couple of years back. Yeah.
Last time I went to London for Diwali.
No, you're mad or what? The one time that we went to London for Diwali, which was years back, we went to London for Baba's show also.
I'm saying the memory I liked. I liked that it was.
One memory from London.
We were freezing. We were standing behind. We had no gloves. We were like shaking. I think, you know, that was. I love the cold.
I think one memory from London that I have is going to this pub called Britannia, which is on the outskirts of Leicester. You know, a couple of our friends took us there. It's a 300-year-old pub. It's very vintage. It's in this very old countryside area, which is beautiful. So yeah, and there's like a family that's been cooking there for all, I mean,
There's a brewery.
generations of families that have been there, and they've been cooking food for everybody. And like she was saying, you know, they've got their own beer brewery, and it's very cool. It's like very cozy.
Very
So,
wooden, cozy.
Yeah, brick-like.
feel.
So very nice. So I
very
remember
nice.
going there. So that's one of my many very favorite memories of London. What is this challenge and
Sing a
quiz?
carol in Punjabi and French, huh?
फ्रेंच तो किसी के पापा को नहीं आती यहाँ पे. Carol in Punjabi. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hoy!
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a Hanna Soppen sleigh.
Hoy! Oh, Pandy, jingle bell,
Bell,
jingle bell. बस हो गया. Anything you put Pandy before is Punjabi.
बढ़िया.
Changa.
Changa.
Kidda.
Kidda.
Brava.
Brava.
Santa.
Banta.
Challenge number 3. Tell each other's favorite in the following categories. I don't know why I said tell each other's favorite. Tell each other's favorite in the following categories. Perfume. Well, Crystal likes this one perfume from Lancôme and Chanel, Mademoiselle, Acqua di Gio, 2000 साल जियो.
You like this one perfume from Tom Ford. Then you like your Chanel Blue. And there's one Essie Miyake perfume also that you really like. Then, yeah, those 3.
Shoe brand. You don't have a real shoe fetish as such, so you don't
I
really
buy
have
shoes from everywhere.
Yeah.
I
a...
continue.
So she doesn't have a shoe brand per se.
per se. Even you don't have a specific shoe brand, but you buy a lot of Zara shoes, I feel. And Nike shoes, actually, to be more precise. He has a lot of Nike shoes.
Vans.
And Vans, yeah.
But apparently I don't have a shoe brand.
Yeah, you have a
Clothing
lot of
brand. Forever 21. And a couple of online stores.
Zara. And a couple of online stores.
Favorite hangout place? Indigo.
Indigo.
All
Oh,
the
why don't I see you
destinations.
there?
London.
London.
Drink. Wine.
Wine. We should meet here sometime.
We have similar tastes.
Very similar.
अब हो गया ना सारा.